the class here. So there is a my class 4. I'm going for another class, my class 4, which is interface. I'm taking this one as my interface 2. Going for the finish. Here we can do what we are doing. We are just defining or implementing some of the methods. So 1.1 and 2.1, we are just mentioning them. Then what is happening? Add unimplemented methods. So session number 1, if I click, then those methods which I didn't implement, so the respective bodies are coming. Otherwise, another option was there, that is make type my class 4 abstract. So that's why, as we are having some methods unimplemented, the bodies we are not writing here, so I'm supposed to make the class abstract. So abstract keyword has come and the red lines have gone out. So now let me go for so here you see we are going for the main function now. Going for the main function. So let me go for my class 4. Let me go for my class 4. ob1 is equal to new. ob1 new. So now whenever we are defining an object under this abstract class my class 4, then those two unimplemented methods, the respective bodies, are to be written, and this will give us the idea that how to define objects under abstract classes. So let me go for this. I can write any other function body, so that is not an issue, only to make the conception clear. So now we are going to write one main function. So I think main function we have written already, so let me go for the execution, that will be better. So now let us go for this ob1 dot. So let me go for the execution. You can find that. So my function 1.1 is executing with this data, my function 1.2 is executing, then my function 1.3, then my function 2.1, my function 2.2, and also the static function, that is 1.4, is executing. So everything is coming according to our planning. So let us go for another class. Let me show you another important thing. So I shall go for a class my class 5. So now here we are doing, that is going for finish, my class 5, and here we are defining the main function, and within this main function I'm just defining my interface 1 object. Automatically those unimplemented methods which were there in the interface, if I can define them locally, then obviously the interface objects can also be created under my class 5. This is a 1 1, this is a 1 2. So everything is fine now. So this object has got defined. So ob1 dot my so let me go for the execution. So they are executing fine. So in this we are getting this idea that how to define interface and how to implement it, how to define interface object, how to define abstract class object, and so on. So let me go for the last example here. So interface demo. You can find here we have defined one interface, that is a vehicle, which is having max speed and wheel count. Two methods are there. Bike is one class which is implementing this vehicle. As a result of that, the max speed method and the wheel count, these two methods are to be implemented. We are defining another class, that is a car, which is implementing vehicle. So vehicle is the interface you can easily find. So that's why this max speed and count, wheel count, they have got these two methods have got defined here. Now you see, there is a class, that is the interface demo. We are having the main function here. We have defined the bike object is equal to new bike, and car object car is equal to new car constructor, and then we are going for bike dot wheel count and car dot wheel count. As this method have got implemented within this bike and car classes respectively, so the respective methods, that is the wheel count, can be accessed from the bike object, bike class object bike, and car class object car here. So if you go for the execution, you can find that maximum speed of bike is this, number of wheels for bike is this, maximum speed of car is this, and number of wheels for car is this. Because you can find that here we're having this max speed, we're having this wheel count. So number of wheels of the car is plus wheel, we are getting this, and also we are printing this one, there is a max speed of bike plus bike dot max speed. So max speed is actually returning this respective value, which is getting concatenated with this max speed of bike and max speed of car. In this way the outcome is very logical. The output of this program and the respective code I have put side by side so that you can see and you can get the idea. So in this video we have discussed a lot on this interface, how to implement it, what is abstract class, how to define interface object, how to define abstract class objects, and so on.